Patty cake? Yeah. Patty cake. Good boy. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Good boy. What? Okay, let us pray. Gotcha. Gotcha. High five. Good boy. Okay. Yes. Can I help you? Oh. Leave me alone. He doesn't want any of it.
He took it.
No, that's see, he wants that one.
No. Oh.
Hey, no, 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 Tigger, no, no.
You took all his toys.
Look it. Let me just show you in the video how many. He puts all his toys in one spot. All of them. So I could put them all over here, and in an hour they'll be over there. Which one do you want? Pick one. See? The same one.
Parts instead.
Straight to there. And they're all gonna be there tomorrow. Give me that. Oh, and you have a fucking shark hiding, and you have this hiding. That's some bullshit, man. Which one? Again?
You took it out.
Xanax, give me your toy.